Alright guys, so today's the big day. I got the 4HAWKS range extender on my MAVIC AIR controller, the MAVIC AIR. You know, I'm really not too concerned on how far it's going to go. I actually think it's going to go pretty darn far. I'm more worried about the battery life on the MAVIC AIR. So we're going to check it out today. We're going to see how far it goes, and then check out the other video that I'm going to do. We have a Phantom 3 Advanced that we're going to do just a range test on a stock, and then we're going to put the 4HAWKS extender on that one and see how much further it goes on my next video as well. All right guys, and without further ado, here comes the range test. Alright guys, so overall this was a huge success. We did have a couple of hiccups along the way, but I got to give a couple of shouts out to Jason and Micah. Thanks guys. They were out with me. Had a hiccup with the DJI app, and I lost the app. It went off on my screen, but luckily where Jason was located at, the drone was just passing him. Flew it about another quarter of a mile up and landed it safely on a dirt road, and got my MAVIC AIR home. But you know, this was no fault of the drone. It was no fault of the antenna system. This was 100% my fault. I should have just let the notification go, and instead I went to swipe it. So that was completely my error, and the DJI app went off on me and it would not go back on, so I can fly my drone. But nonetheless, I flew it blind. Jason called me, landed it, he retrieved it, it got home. Bottom line, hats off, thanks Jason, thanks Micah. So, the 4HAWKS system pushed the MAVIC AIR just over 3 miles, as you've seen in the video. Very impressive. Now, let's not talk about the distance, because I'm not really a distance kind of person, even though I was doing a range test on here, right? But let's say I was flying this in the city, okay? I went to Seattle, flew it in Seattle. I am not going to lose signal. That's the key. Or if I'm flying over mountain areas or forest areas, I'm not going to have a disconnection of in the signal. That's why the 4HAWKS system is so important. Guys, I am now a believer and a true fan of switching all of my drones that I own to 4HAWKS, and I'm going to do that. Just the fact that I did not lose signal. Now, when you see the signals kind of fluctuating, I actually turned my back away from the drone while I was flying, and I still had signal on the drone. I turned it back, put the antenna like so, boom, I didn't have any signal errors. So the 4HAWKS system, hands down, is amazing. The MAVIC is a champ. Pushed it just past the 3 mile mark, thanks to 4HAWKS. But again, the 4HAWKS system, amazing, hands down. Guys, please subscribe to the page right down there, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.